Bringing the 500 hybrid back to Mirafiori is a promise kept, a win driven by a committed team that chose to bet on the customer and the future, said Olivier François, CEO of Fiat and global CMO of Stellantis. This factory is more than just a production site. It's Fiat's home, the beating heart of a story that began in 1957 with Dante Giacosa and today stands as a hub of Stellantis innovation in Europe. Our industrial plan for Italy puts Mirafiori and the 500 at the center of our revival. In November, we'll celebrate this milestone with the special edition 500 Torino, a tribute to the city, its workers, and our roots. Turin means Fiat, and Fiat means Turin. That's why the official launch will take place here, in our city. The new Fiat 500 Hybrid is the natural evolution of an icon. The unmistakable Fiat style, timeless and cross-generational, now embraces cutting-edge technologies and features, while preserving the unique charm that has always defined the 500. Every detail has been thoughtfully curated, from the vibrant, sophisticated colors to the carefully selected materials, to recapture the magic that makes the 500 not just a car, but a lifestyle experience. Because beyond the technology and the style, it's still a 500, an icon that inspires emotion, captivates, and embodies a uniquely Italian way of understanding the automobile. The model will be available in 3 configurations to suit every need: the classic hatchback, compact and ideal for city driving; the innovative 3+1, featuring a rear-hinged third door on the passenger side for easier access to the back seats; and the distinctive Cabrio, the only convertible in its segment, for open-air driving enjoyment. Under the hood beats an all-Italian heart: the 1.0L 3-cylinder FireFly mild hybrid engine, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. The 12V electrical system enhances fuel efficiency and delivers a smooth, accessible driving experience. It's a proven and popular powertrain that offers the best balance between driving pleasure, low consumption, and operating costs. Highly connected and packed with technology, the 500 Hybrid will feature the Uconnect 5 system, among the most advanced in its segment. The customizable 10.25-inch high-resolution touchscreen will be complemented by a 7-digital display. Full wireless compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensures intuitive and safe smartphone integration, without distractions behind the wheel. Inside, the vehicle is equipped with a wide range of ADAS to ensure comfort and safety in urban settings. These include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and traffic sign recognition, among other features designed for peace of mind on city roads. Production is set to commence this November, with a goal of delivering 5,000 units by the end of the year. Pre-series models have already rolled off the line, confirming that the project is progressing exactly as planned under Stellantis' strategic roadmap, presented last December to the Ministry of Enterprises and made in Italy. This initiative represents a pivotal step in the revitalization of the Turin plant, aiming to increase production by 100,000 additional units annually. It's a decisive move to restore Mirafiori's central role, industrial, human, and symbolic. The return of the 500 to its roots is more than just a production decision. It's a concrete sign of confidence in the Italian industrial supply chain, in its ability to meet the challenges of the energy transition and to lead innovation.